In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use full screen mode in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're presenting a document to an audience or simply want to focus on reading without any distractions, full screen mode is a great feature to utilize. So let's dive in and go through this step by step. First things first, launch Adobe Acrobat on your computer. If you don't already have it installed, you can easily download it from the Adobe website and follow the installation instructions. Once you have that up and running, you're ready for the next step. Now, you want to open the specific PDF that you're planning to view in full screen. You can do this by clicking File on the top left corner of the window, then choosing Open, and locating your PDF file on your computer. This is just like opening any other file, so it should feel pretty intuitive. Once your document is open, you'll have all the content ready to be viewed in full glory. Next, take a look at the menu located at the top left corner of the screen. This menu contains various options that allow you to manage different aspects of your document viewing. From here, you can conduct a plethora of tasks, but right now, your focus should be on activating the full screen display. If you prefer another route, you can alternatively go to the View menu, which is also situated along the top toolbar. Click on it, and from the drop-down options, choose Full Screen Mode. This is an efficient way to make the most out of your screen space, giving you a clean and uninterrupted view of your PDF document. In full screen mode, your document takes up the entire screen, and the usual toolbars and menus are temporarily hidden. This is perfect for reading or presenting without the disturbance of navigation tools. It provides a smooth, professional appearance to your document. Eventually, when you're finished with full screen mode or need to return to the regular view to access other functionalities, it's easy to exit this mode. Simply press the ESC key on your keyboard. It's a quick and familiar shortcut that brings back the toolbars and navigation panels just the way they were before entering full screen. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to help you navigate full screen mode in Adobe Acrobat. It's a handy tool for many situations where focus, clarity, or aesthetics are important. With this knowledge, you can enhance your document viewing experience significantly. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on Adobe tools. See you next time.